I'm here with Massimiliano Orsi from Bardi at the Watercoolers Europe 2024. Thank you for joining me today. So, how is the show going so far to you?
The show is always an excellent opportunity for us, being the biggest European supplier of 5-gallon washing and filling equipment, to meet our major European customer and to meet also all the other suppliers of bottle, caps, cooler, to have a better understanding on the development of the market.
And what are you showcasing today?
Being concentrated in the technology of washing and the filling, we are always bringing to the show our latest innovation, mainly recently dedicated to the PET returnable bottles.
Yeah, and with sustainability being such a huge topic, how does Bardi contribute to it?
All our customers are asking us to reduce the consumption, so to reduce water consumption, chemical usage, and power consumption. So all our efforts in the R&D are in the direction of supporting the customer to reduce the consumption. And even in our factory, we just completed the extension of the new building, and we have put all solar panels to be completely independent in the electricity usage.
And do you have any thoughts about the future, like developments for this industry?
We believe that the future will be brilliant for the water cooler business, because there is a stronger trend to reduce the one-way packages, and this is an excellent opportunity for all the 5-gallon as a returnable container.
Amazing. And for Bardi, are there any exciting new developments coming up?
We keep working in the direction of upgrading our technology to support our customer, but also in the direction of having more opportunities in different containers. To give an example, we are now making machines also for big container in a returnable glass, just in case there will be more concern relating to plastics.